This is Stephen A. Williams, President and founder of the CreditRepairShop.com. And in today's video, we're going to talk about Ultra FICO. I came across this website, and I think that it's a good way for you to be able to boost your scores if you're either coming out of the credit repair process or you're young and you don't even have a score. Because what they do with this is very unique, is that they actually allow you to be able to use your bank account for building your credit. So this is very interesting, and I think that it could be an excellent tool that you can use. And potentially, if you have multiple accounts, I'm not sure exactly if you can do that, but if you have multiple accounts, it might even you might be able to use this system to increase your score even higher. So it says right here that an ultra FICO score can unlock credit opportunities for millions of hardworking people. You empower your ultra FICO score by simply securely linking with your checking, savings, or money market account. Your ultra FICO score can be enhanced. Your FICO score is based on indicators of sound financial behavior. This is what I had really liked about when I read this, is that one of the things that I talk about with credit repair is that you're going to have to change those behaviors. And if you're new to credit, this could be a way that you can make sure that you're, uh, doing the right things without getting credit and hurting yourself. So I'm pretty sure that you won't be harmed the same way as if you got credit and you didn't pay payments, or you had late payments, or you end up getting a charge off. With this one here, because it's going to be connected to your checking, savings, or money market account, if you find that you're not managing your money right, it's not going to hit you as hard, but it is going to affect you being able to get the maximum result from the score. But it'll kind of alert you that you're making some bad financial decisions. And it's better to make a bad financial decision where it was the way that you used your bank account, rather than having open accounts and then you didn't pay them, and then you get double hit with late payments, charge offs, and fees, all of that type of stuff. So it's stating here that 7 out of 10 consumers, 7 out of 10 people in the US who have a consistent cash on hand in months and keep positive balances on their account could see an ultra FICO score that is higher than their traditional FICO score. Over 15 million consumers, you may be one of the 15 million people in the US who can receive an ultra FICO score even if you don't have enough credit history to generate a FICO score. And they have their little 1, 2, 3 process, and it has here, here's the stuff that they're going to grade you on. And this is excellent because when you connect it, you could probably get a huge increase to your FICO scores. Because look at this. How long have you had that account open at that bank? Uh, the transactions. Look at this, cash on hand. A lot of people might keep cash on hand in the bank and you've never gotten credit for that. Just think about that. You're going to be able to get credit for something, and I'm not meaning like you're getting credit. I mean like you're getting credit, so to speak, for having cash on hand. Just like you get credit for making your payments on time, you will be getting credit for having cash on hand. And then a history of positive account balances. So if you have an account where you've had trouble with it, you might want to start over with a new account. Yeah, you're going to get hit here, but at least you won't start off by, having uh, bad history on that account. Let's see here. It says here, this is through Experian and FICO and Finicity. Finicity, I think that's how I would say it, how you would say it. And then they got some more information on here about it. I think that if you are looking at rebuilding your credit, this is an excellent option that you might want to look at. Again, it's called Ultra FICO. And let's just click here. Well, it shows you how it works where you're linking it in. And that FinBank, that's what it is. This is another fintech bank. and they're figuring out a way to get people as customers. And another thing that they try to do with these is they want to see how you're doing with your account so they can end up making offers to you. So you can see here's some examples. They put their checking and savings, and then the account is successful. So it's really an
Returning visitor.
easy 1, 2, 3 step process. So if anyone connects with this, please get in touch with me. I'd like to see the end result of how much your scores went up. But it is through the makers of the FICO scoring system. So this is something that I do think is a legitimate way to boost your scores. If you need help with your credit, please visit us at thecreditrepairshop.com. Watch the video, what makes us different, so you can see my 8-point validation process, my two-phase settlement process. And if you need your credit reports and scores, go to the website the number 3scores.com. Grab your TransUnion, Equifax, Experian credit reports and all 3 scores. If you have debt collectors coming after you, grab my 3-pack of letters, statute of limitations, cease and desist collection activities letter, and debt validation letter. The instructions are on the top of when you download the letters, you'll see the instructions. And I do ask for a donation on those, but it's up to you if you want to do that. It just helps me monetize my time that I make to make you these videos and to do my research for you for the channel. Thank you for your time. This is Stephen A. Williams, President and Founder of thecreditrepairshop.com.